Learn the basics of using the Renesas License Manager. The License Manager is a utility that manages licenses for Renesas C compilers. License Manager is used to register or delete the node-locked license on your PC. You can also find detailed information of the license. Let's start the License Manager. Launch the License Manager from the Windows menu. When you start License Manager, the License Manager window is displayed. To register a license, click the Add License button first. A dialog will appear for license key input. Enter the license key and click the Add button. If a dialog of the Software License Agreement appears, you need to accept the license. Once registered, the license will be displayed in the License Manager. Click a license to see its detailed information, such as the license type and license key. For annual license, the expiration date is also displayed. You can acquire a floating licenses for use in offline mode. For more information, please see the video CCRL CCRX CCRH compiler tutorial on how to use a floating license. For node-locked license, one license can be used for one PC. Therefore, if you want to use your license on another PC, remove this license from the original PC and register the same license on the new PC. To remove a license from your PC, select the license, then click the Remove License button. The License Manager is installed with the Integrated Development Environment. If you do not have an Integrated Development Environment installed, you need to install the License Manager manually. Please download the installer from the Renesas web page and run the installer.